How to fix Facebook block 13 days. In this video I will share with you how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first guys, go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option, search for Facebook. Open it then and click on storage. Here on storage, go to the last button, clear data, click OK, and then you have to back and click on force stop and click also OK. And now go to storage option, or sorry, to appear on top, and make sure that this option is allowed. After this, go and restart your phone. After this, your problem will be solved. I hope guys this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you another